is Jasmine. It's been 1 year since I've installed my Viking bags onto my Kawasaki Vulcan S650 motorcycle, and I just want to give you guys a little update. Viking bags are super easy to install. I got my uncle and my dad to help me since I don't have any experience installing saddlebags to my bike. They come with all the hard mounted equipment that you need to get it onto your bike. These are actually 28L Baelor quick mount bags, but I have them hard mounted because I wanted something permanent. I really love the saddlebags. They're amazing quality. They hold their shape, and they are also water resistant. When I first bought my motorcycle, there was no saddlebags on it at all. I didn't like the ones that were available. I thought they were a little ugly, but I love how the Viking bags look and how they're super functional. The Viking bags are super secure and they're key lockable, so you can feel really safe when you walk away from your bike. The Viking bags comes with this Velcro pocket so you can organize all your belongings, and it makes it super simple. I love these Viking bags for my Kawasaki Vulcan S650. They're the best saddlebags ever, and I love how they look on my bike. I love these bags because I'm able to store so many of my belongings and also my friends' belongings in here when we go on trips. I'm so obsessed with these saddlebags. I can't wait to take more long distance trips with them. So far I've gone to Mount Charleston, Valley of Fire, Red Rock, and Pioneer Saloon are some of the places that I've been with these saddlebags. I can't wait to take more long distance trips with them, and I can't wait to take you guys along. Definitely check out the website and see if they have the bags to fit your bike. See you guys next time. Peace.